The X2 Cordless Pool Cleaner is equipped with advanced technology, including a 4-axis gyroscope and 8 precision sensors, ensuring comprehensive cleaning coverage for your pool. With its dual-motor design, this robotic pool vacuum offers a significantly longer lifespan and enhanced cleaning power to efficiently collect debris like sand, hair, and leaves. The pool cleaner's robust construction and 9-dimensional safety features make it both durable and safe to use, providing peace of mind for pool maintenance. Designed for user convenience, the X2 automatically docks at the poolside after cleaning and can be easily retrieved and cleaned with its intuitive design. This versatile cleaner is suitable for both above-ground and in-ground pools, efficiently covering a substantial area during its cleaning cycle. With a quick charging time of 2.5 hours, the X2 Cordless Pool Cleaner is always ready to maintain your pool's cleanliness with minimal downtime.